So next one, twice the sum of a number and 5 is the same as 2 subtracted from the number. Okay, so this question has many different calculation combis. So here, first of all, twice it came first, which means you are multiplying. There will be a priority calculation. So I can write 2 times, and then the sum of a number and 5, which means you can write this a number and 5, the sum equal to, is means equal, the same as 2 subtracted, so here 2 subtracted from the number. So you can make x minus 2 like this. So one more time, twice, 2 times, the sum of a number and 5, so x plus 5 is the same, so equal 2 subtract from, this way minus 2, the number, so x. Okay, now you open the parenthesis using distribution property, then 2x plus 10 equal to x minus 2. So we gather x on one side and number on the other side. So I'm gonna subtract x, at the same time subtract 8. Then this becomes x, sorry, this is actually 10. Then x equal to negative 12, because those are gone here, right? So now we find out x equal to 12, negative 12 basically. And then in this case, there's no coefficient of this x term, so just x equal to negative 12 is the answer. But just in case, what if you got negative x equal to such as 12 like that? Then, because it is not single x, it is negative x, you must divide by negative 1 and then make this is the positive power. Otherwise, your answer is not right. Okay? Now, next one. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers. So before we practiced 2 consecutive number, but now it shows that 3 consecutive number here. So let's review what is the consecutive number. So such as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? Okay. Now 2 is 1 more than 1, but 3 is 2 more than 1. Since we need to set up 3 numbers. If you set up one number is x, then the other one become x plus 1, the last one become x plus 2. Like 2 is 1 more than 1, 3 is 2 more than 1, like this. Okay? Now their sum is 96. So you can set up x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal 96. Now open the parenthesis, then x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal 96. Combine like terms, then 3x and then plus 3 equal to 96. Now we want to isolate x term, so subtract 3, then 3x become 93. Now you divide by 3 here, then x equal to 31. But the question asks you, find the numbers. Then you need to set up all 3 numbers. So since we got the smallest number is 31, so next one 32, and the last one 33. That will be the answer for this problem.